Hello, and welcome to our guided Yoga Nidra meditation session, for deep relaxation and inner peace. Find a comfortable space where you can lie down and relax for the next 15 minutes. Let's begin. Before we begin, take a moment to make yourself comfortable. Lie down on your back in Shavasana, also known as the corpse pose. Allow your arms to rest gently by your sides, palms facing upwards. Close your eyes, relax, take a few deep breaths, let go of any tension or stress you may be holding onto. Now, let's set an intention for our practice today. Take a moment to reflect on what you need most at present in your life. It could be peace, relaxation, healing, or anything else that resonates with you. Once you've found your intention, repeat it silently to yourself, 3 times, with clarity and conviction. Slowly, bring your awareness to your breathing pattern. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath, as it flows in and out of your body. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to become smooth and effortless, like the ebb and flow of the ocean waves. As we move into the body scan, bring your attention to the sensation of your body against the surface beneath you. Starting from your toes, slowly scan through each part of your body, bringing gentle awareness to any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine releasing that tension, and allowing your body to soften and relax. Now, let's journey into a state of deep relaxation, through visualization. Imagine, you are in a peaceful and serene place of your choice. It could be a lush forest, a tranquil beach, or a cozy cabin in the mountains. Whatever feels most calming and soothing to you. Engage all your senses as you explore this imaginary space. Notice the colors, textures, and sounds around you. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze on your face, and the softness of the ground beneath you. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the beauty and tranquility of this place. At this moment, focus primarily on your intention. Imagine breathing positivity and exhaling all the negative emotions. Relax to heal and recharge, to manifest your dreams, turning them into reality. Focus solely on the background music and just be in the moment. As we near the end of our practice, take a moment to revisit your intention. Remind yourself of the positive energy and intention you set at the beginning of the session. Visualize it, manifesting in your life, with clarity and certainty. Gently begin to deepen your breath, bringing awareness back to your physical body and the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your limbs, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this guided Yoga Nidra meditation. May you carry the sense of peace and relaxation with you throughout your day. Subscribe to the channel for more guided meditations and relaxation techniques.